Hello guys, this is Pledge. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. On this video I'm going to be sharing my ideas on what I'll be looking for in the charts in the forex market this coming week. We gotta look at the economic calendar for high impact news for the pairs that we trade, for be alert to be able to see what could catalyze or invalidate our setups. Looking at this week, there are retail sales on Tuesday. Monday, even though it's a no trading day for me, but then there will be news around 2:30 p.m. So that's beginning of New York, right? Yeah. So Monday it's a no trading day, but then if there are opportunities, they could be traded. Tuesday is gonna be busy for the Australian dollar and the US dollar. On Wednesday there's gonna be CPI for the pound, and so is on Thursday, but then it's gonna be busy for the pound around 1 p.m. There are going to be unemployment claims coming out as well. Then on Friday, I don't typically trade on Fridays, but then the euro is gonna have a busy day as well as the dollar. So those are the news that could potentially catalyze or invalidate our setups. Now let's get into the chart. So looking at the dollar, right? So we had we anticipated this liquidity swipe into a discounted retracement for a further push to the upside, and played out well. Last week I was trading the dollar CAD, and which gave me a similar movement to these, to the dollar index. So we'll just potentially cause, because a lot of the red news are done with for the month, so we could actually be expecting a good price action movement. So looking at the dollar, on the dollar index, I'm potentially looking for a swipe to this, even though they already took this swing out. So they already took this swing out. So what I could be expecting is for Monday to give me, to not actually be very volatile. I could be expecting a move like this. Previous week, high sweep into, and maybe Monday create a fair value gap. Monday could create a fair value gap, be taken into the day for further move up, because we have these highs that need to be taken out. So I'm overall bullish on the dollar index for further moves to the upside. So this is what I'm potentially looking at or looking for, because yeah, this is what I'm potentially looking for on the DXY. So if price actually decides that it's gonna retrace from that pin hammer So we could be looking for, on the 4 hour, we could be looking for it to come and give us a deeper retracement to here for a further push to the upside. So if we look at this gap created here, because the market always uses them with this fair value gap and also this one, it's something that we could actually be looking to trade out of. So we just see how the market plays out this coming week on the dollar. But then this two are what I'm expecting to see for the coming week. Looking at the euro, we anticipated something of this manner for price to come into this level, then start dropping, of which it did, but then it created a liquidity swipe here. It actually, the trade actually took me out because and right on my stop loss. It happens as part of trading, but then the direction was well and the TP was well with the 2.5 for us to reward. It was a good trade. It's just that even though I gave it some room to breathe, it just decided that, nah, man, you're going to be taken out. So with the movement that we anticipated to have gone, we could be expecting to see price come to these levels here. So with one swing corrected and another swing anticipated. So what we could be actually looking to see on the euro dollar is for it to come and give us a good retracement to go to the upside. And looking at this breaker block, we could actually be expecting some movement towards that area for more cells using the fib retracement look tool for one leg to another leg. So the retracement shows us that if price could come and fill this FEG here, so yeah. So if price could come at least to the 0.618 fib retracement, then we could be actually looking for more sales. So the price action that I could be expecting is something of this manner, just to tap here, then start giving us the shorter flow, or it could actually take out this liquidity, previous week high, previous week low, so come into this area, then start selling off. So those are the two movements that I could be expecting on the dollar, on the euro dollar. The the pound dollar, it heavy sold off, but then with the coming week of its red major news, they could actually be, it could actually be a bit messy for the for the pound to dollar. So on the daily, we have this daily imbalance or fair value gap, and just above it, there's liquidity. So we could be actually targeting this liquidity profile and put a fair value gap, then start coming to the upside. Let me do this. So we could actually be looking for something of this man, build the value, then start selling off. But then with the red news, they could just come and take out this high. It's just one of the things that we could actually be looking at. This high could be actually be taken out with the news. We don't know, so we'll just have to see. But then the pound is not sitting well for me. It's not a pair that I could say I'd be looking to trade this coming week because of the news that are coming out. And yeah, it's just, and the price action is just not sitting well with me. But then it's just something that we could actually be looking for. But then if it actually comes to here, then goes to this area. I mean, let me draw this properly. If it does something like this, to come here, then coming from here, then it starts giving us something that we could actually be working with the fib retracement, because this is a good leg. So yeah, it's something that we could be looking to looking for. Only this, if they come and cap here on a good day, those are buys that I could actually be considering. So looking at the um dollar CAD, I'm convinced now that it could actually be coming to take out this liquidity. What I anticipated last week was that price could actually take out this liquidity and start falling, of which it did. This was the good trade that I had last week. So with what we anticipated have already played out. So this coming week, what I'd be looking for is price to come into this area. To further go to the upside. This is a play that I'm expecting or looking to see for the coming week. So the dollar CAD is just straightforward. This is what I'm expecting for them to come to these areas right here. Yeah, to be coming to these levels. So it will be something that I'll be looking to see. We'll just have to see how they play out uh, during the week open. Looking at gold, I'm also pretty much bearish on gold. This is showing momentum for sellers, and they could be actually targeting this liquidity, this one, to fall maybe on this mitigation. We'll just have to see what they intend to do. But then for the fib retracement from one leg to another, we could actually be looking for this, for price to actually come and take out this liquidity. Then fall onto these areas, then start selling for at least to here, then to here. But then we just have to see what they intend to do with also this mitigation, of which it's something of which could actually act as resistance to the upside, to for the market to drop. So something of which we could be actually looking to on gold. We'll just have to see. And if we're looking for a play of which we could actually ride the move to the upside, it could be this kind of move, of which it comes to this fair value gap to go to the upside. Something of which you could be actually, I'd actually be looking for to take this move to go to the upside to this mitigation, then to start selling off onto this, and the area is in deep premium, so we could be looking to sell. So on the euro pound, I'd be looking for something of this manner. This mitigation would be a good way to see. Plus this gap right here, it's something of which they could likely react to, plus this mitigation. So it's not something of which actually be looking to trade off, but then it's something of which if the market is giving me lower time frame order flow, very bullish order flow, I could actually be looking to take a trade with a good setup to this level, because it's a level of which they could actually be coming to. And looking this side, there's actually an imbalance of which they could actually be coming to. It's not that they're going to react, but then it's something of which I see them going towards. It's something of which I see them going towards. And if they take that liquidity and decided to react off the FEG, let me do this. Trade FEG, yeah. So this is a play of which I could be expecting to see. Then start coming to close this gap. Pretty much straightforward. So last week on the same day of which I took my sales on the dollar CAD, I actually saw something of which was interesting to me, of where a liquidity could actually be taken to fall off. So I actually took a trade like this, and I actually ended up being stopped out. Wasn't much of a big stop with the potential of targeting these. And then it didn't actually pay out, so it's just part of the game. Something of which I'm not actually a big fan of trading indices, but then if I was to look at the Nasdaq, I'd actually be looking for the market to come and take and maybe tap into this FVG for a further push to the upside if they are looking to make new highs. So another thing that I could be seeing is that if the markets decide to pull a bit bearish, one thing that I could be expecting is for it to maybe make a high, come and test, then make a lower high, then start falling off. At the same time, making a head and shoulder pattern, then it's something that could intrigue me. But then I'm just saying I could what could actually get me into taking a trade on the next day. Last week I took a loss, so I'll just have to see on what it tries to do. So that's my view on what I could be expecting this coming week. So this is the end of it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share if you see this video helping somebody else. Till the next one, peace.